When naming your vehicles, it's important to choose a name that's descriptive of the vehicle so that when you're viewing your vehicles on the map, you know exactly what each vehicle is. To name your vehicles, click on the Assets button, find the device that needs to be named, and click on it. Your devices, when shipped, will be named with the serial number for the device. So all you have to do when you install the devices is choose a name for that vehicle, enter it in the name description field, assign the device to the appropriate groups, add any additional information that you want to save, keeping in mind that the VIN number, the vehicle description, and the odometer reading will automatically be pulled in by the device when it's powered. Finally, click the Save button. Now, when we come back to the vehicle list, the vehicle will have its new name, and its new name will also be displayed at the vehicle location on the map. Another way you can access the vehicle edit screen is from the map. Simply click on the vehicle, click Edit Asset, and it will bring you to the vehicle edit screen.